Welcome to a sim code, ready to break down some code, and maybe a few walls while we're at it. Hit that subscribe button, and let's create something amazing. You're not going to want to miss what's coming next. Hey there! Let's walk through a Java program using a for loop. A for loop in Java is a control flow statement used to repeat a block of code a specific number of times. It consists of three parts: initialization, condition, and increment or decrement. The main method is the entry point of any Java program. It's where the execution starts when you run the program. Here, we will write a simple for loop example. A for loop is a control flow structure that repeats a block of code a specific number of times based on a given condition. Let's say we want to print numbers from 1 to 5. We will use a for loop to do this. The general syntax of a for loop looks like this. Code to be executed. In our case, the loop will look like this. Inside the loop, we are printing the current value of I. System.out.println is a built-in function that prints the message inside the parentheses. The plus symbol is used to concatenate, join, the string and the value of I. What's happening here? 1. Int I equals 1, we're declaring a variable I of type int, integer. Int is a primitive data type used for whole numbers. We are initializing I to 1. This is where the loop starts. 2. I equals 5, this is the condition for the loop. As long as I is less than or equal to 5, the loop will keep running. 3. I plus plus, this is the increment operation. After every iteration, I will increase by 1. So, the loop will print 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 1 by 1. Now, let's explore another example using an array and a for loop. An array is a collection of values, all of the same type. It's a data structure that allows you to store multiple values in a single variable. Let's create an array of integers. Now, we want to find the sum of all elements in the array. We will use a for loop to iterate through the array and add up all the numbers. Variable to store the sum of array elements. This for loop will go through each element in the numbers array and add it to the sum. Here, numbers.length is a built-in function that gives the length of the array, for example, the number of elements. Numbers I accesses the value at index I of the array. Add the current element to sum. After the loop ends, the sum variable will hold the total of all the elements in the array. A quick breakdown of key concepts used here. Arrays. An array is a data structure that holds a fixed number of values of the same type. Here, we declared an integer array numbers with 5 elements, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The size of the array is 5, and we access each element using the index, starting from 0. Numbers.length. This is a built-in property that gives the number of elements in the array. System.out.println. This is a built-in function in Java that prints text to the console. System is a predefined class in Java, and out is an instance of the printstream class. Println prints the output and moves to the next line after the output. Now run our code. That's a wrap. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting videos.